Imagine a world where technology has evolved beyond our wildest dreams. Picture societies transformed by the wonders of artificial intelligence, robotics, and quantum computing. Envision cities teeming with autonomous vehicles, skyscrapers crowned with lush green gardens, drones delivering everything right to our doorsteps. Imagine healthcare revolutionized by personalized medicine, with technology predicting our health risks even before we are aware of them. Consider education, with virtual reality enabling us to explore the cosmos from our classrooms, and artificial intelligence customizing our learning paths. Contemplate communication through holograms, making distances irrelevant. Think of the potential energy savings with smart homes, and the reduction of our carbon footprint with clean, renewable energy solutions. See a world where advanced technology makes life not just more convenient, but more meaningful, enhancing human potential in ways we never thought possible. Where technology no longer simply supports human activity, but actively enriches our lives, fostering a deeper understanding of our world and of each other. Welcome to a journey into the future of technology. In the realm of transportation, innovation has always been the driving force. Human progress has been marked by key milestones in how we move, from the primitive wheel to the powerful locomotive. As we took to the skies, our perspective shifted once more, culminating in the monumental first step on the moon. These leaps in technology have transformed our lives and continue to shape our future. By 2040, we can expect a radical transformation in our transport systems. Self-driving vehicles, once a thing of science fiction, will be commonplace, not just our roads, but our skies and oceans too. Travel will become safer, quicker, and more efficient, with flying cars zipping through the sky and personal drones providing a bird's-eye view of our world. The concept of teleportation, though still in the realm of fantasy, could very well become a reality, turning lengthy journeys into an instantaneous process. Hyperloop systems, the next frontier in high-speed travel, will transport us across continents in mere minutes. Moreover, the advent of space tourism will revolutionize our concept of a vacation, making a trip to the stars as normal as visiting Disneyland. And by 2040, the transportation landscape will be unrecognizable. Autonomous vehicles, flying cars, personal drones, and potentially even teleportation systems will rule the roads, skies, and seas, making travel safer, more efficient, and almost instantaneous. Hyperloop systems will zip us across continents in a matter of minutes, and space tourism will be as commonplace as a trip to Disneyland. The job market, too, will undergo a seismic shift. This transformation, deeply rooted in the advancements in automation and artificial intelligence, will trigger an unprecedented paradigm shift in the traditional job market as we know it. Gone will be the days of tried and tested roles dominating the workforce. New age technology will replace many of the professions we currently consider indispensable. We will bear witness to a revolution, a workforce metamorphosis, if you will. However, before you succumb to apprehension, it is imperative to note that this is not a narrative of despair and desolation. Amid the seemingly overwhelming wave of change, there is indeed a silver lining. While the old professions will inevitably fade away into oblivion, they will not leave a vacuum in their wake. Instead, a diverse array of new professions will rise, like a phoenix from their ashes. Innovative fields like AI ethics, quantum computing, and the immersive world of virtual reality will open up a plethora of job opportunities that are beyond our comprehension today. As old professions fade away, new ones will rise in their place. Speaking of computing, the computers of 2040 will make today's machines look like ancient artifacts. Imagine, if you will, a world where computer technology has advanced to such degrees that they are practically unrecognizable to our eyes today. We are not just talking about faster processing speeds or increased storage capacities, but a fundamental revolution in how computers function and operate. A key player in this technological revolution is quantum computing. This technology harnesses the principles of quantum mechanics to process complex computations at staggering speeds, solving intricate problems in mere seconds that would take our current machines thousands of years to crack. But that's not all. Enter neuromorphic computing, a radical new approach to computing that seeks to emulate and replicate the workings of the human brain. It's not just about crunching numbers anymore. These futuristic machines will have the capacity to learn, adapt, grow, and evolve, much like our own cognitive processes. And with the advent of neuromorphic computing, machines will not just compute, but also learn and adapt like the human brain. Directing our attention to agriculture, we understand that technological advancements will become the cornerstone in satisfying the escalating demands of our swelling global populace. The introduction of precision farming, a revolutionary concept harnessed by the ingenuity of unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly known as drones, and the unpredictability of artificial intelligence, promises to optimize crop production, all the while significantly mitigating the detrimental effects we impose on our environment. Furthermore, the advent of vertical farms, predominantly located in bustling urban locales, will facilitate the cultivation of a diverse array of fresh produce throughout the calendar year. This not only curtails the necessity for cross-country transportation, drastically reducing the carbon footprint, but also fortifies our food security, ensuring a steady supply of nourishment. And finally, we arrive at our discussion about robots. Robots, once merely figments of science fiction, are projected to ascend to commonplace reality by 2040. They will cease to be the objects of our imaginations and will solidify their presence as an essential part of our daily routines. No task will be too complex or menial for these metallic marvels. From conducting intricate surgical procedures to assisting us with mundane household chores, robots will play significant roles in everyday existence. They will be our allies, our partners, in the journey toward progress. Furthermore, with the continuous advancements in artificial intelligence, these robots will transcend their mechanical constraints to embrace cognitive abilities. They will not be confined to the performance of tasks alone. They'll be equipped to think, learn, and remarkably, even empathize with humans. They will symbolize the harmonious fusion of technology and emotional intelligence. And with advancements in AI, these robots will not just perform tasks, but also think, learn, and even empathize with humans. In conclusion, the world of 2040 will be a world where technology is an invaluable ally. This ally will shape our lives in unimaginable ways and dimensions. Envision a world intertwined with technology. Imagine transportation defying our current understanding. Picture a job market where digital prowess is key. Think of advanced computers, a flourishing agricultural sector, robots, and artificial intelligence components of daily life. So, buckle up and get ready for a thrilling ride into the future.